Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted some gorgeous gold puffy stickers. These are waterproof, super sticky. I'm going to show you all of them and then we're going to put them on some notebooks and on to some of my containers. So this is what you get. You get all kinds of different numbers and different symbols. You could use these for mailboxes, for folders to put your names on things. If you're making something personalized for a birthday, maybe a graduation cap, the list goes on and on. These are great. I'm going to use a big one so that it is very visible for you. So I'm going to use the ampersand. Look how, not the ampersand, I'm sorry, the @ symbol. Look how shiny those are. They've got a little thickness to them. They are puffy. And I'm going to put this on my notebook. And look at that. It just really pops. That is stuck. Look at that. That is not going anywhere. These would be great for your kids to personalize their folders. Now I have the ampersand. Here it is. I'm going to take out the little middle sections so that is a little more dramatic and you can see the color of my container coming through it. I am the queen of losing my water bottles and coffee cups. There you go. Look how cute that is. Loving these stickers. They really just elevate all of your items. So if you are looking to personalize something, this is so easy. Check out these waterproof stickers. They are gorgeous.